Guys, today I'm testing out my new gun. It can shoot fake bullets, and it has an attacher, but it couldn't attach, so I had to use tape. Hey, nothing happened. Oh! So it couldn't shoot. See? Oh, I think I broke it. Hey, yo. Bro, it was supposed to be taped on. Oh! Last night I was tossing and turning and couldn't sleep because I want fried chicken. I was tossing and turning and couldn't sleep. I need to cut this thing, man. Ah! Minimum